dear students. Today I am going to explain you one question from chemistry. It is a numerical. The question is, what is the molarity and molality of a 13% solution by weight of H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. Its density is 1.090 gram per milliliter. Solution is calculation of molarity. First of all, we will calculate molarity and later on we will calculate molality. So, weight of 1 liter of H2SO4 solution is equals to weight into density. So, that is equals to 1000 because in 1 liter 1000 ml is there. So, 1000 into 1.090, that is equals to 1090, that is 1090 gram. Now, weight of H2SO4 in this solution is equals to 13% of 1090 gram. It is given in the question that it is 13%. So, 13% of 1090 gram we will calculate and we find that is equals to 13 by 100 into 1090, 0 cancelled, and then 13 by 10 means 1.3, 1.3 into 109, that is equals to 141.7 gram. Now, number of moles of sulfuric acid, which is a solute, we will find out. So, that is equals to given weight of H2SO4, that is given weight of solute, divided by molecular weight of H2SO4. And that's equals to 141.7 by 1 into 2 because hydrogen is 2. So, 1 into 2 and hydrogen mass is 1. So, 1 into 2 plus. Sulfur is 1 atom, so and sulfur weight is mass is 32, so 32 into 1 plus, and oxygen is 4 atoms, so and oxygen's mass is 16, so 4 into 16, and that is equals to 141.7 by here 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 plus 32 is 34, and 16 into 4 is 64, so 34 plus 64, that is equals to 141.7 by 98, and that's equals to, after dividing you will get 1.445, that is 1.445. Now, molarity of H2SO4 is equals to moles of H2SO4 divided by volume of solution in liter, because you know the formula that molarity equals to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters or cubic decimeter. And here solute is sulfuric acid. So, number of moles you have got 1.445 and volume of solution in liter is 1. So, that is equals to 1.445 capital M. Molarity is represented as capital M. Now, we will go to calculate molality. So, total weight of H2SO4 solution is equals to 1090 gram, that already we have calculated. And weight of H2SO4 in it is 141.7 gram, that also we have calculated already. So, therefore, weight of water, which is a solvent, is equals to 1090 minus 141.7, that's equals to 948.3 gram. So, number of moles of H2SO4 is equals to given weight of H2SO4 divided by molecular weight of H2SO4. So, given weight is 141.7 by 98, because just now while we were calculating molarity, we calculated the molecular mass of H2SO4 and that is 98. And now, you know that molality is equals to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. So here we will write molality of H2SO4 is equals to number of moles of H2SO4, which is a solute, divided by weight of solvent, that is water, in 1000 gram or 1 kg. So here number of moles of H2SO4 we have got 141.7 by 98 divided by, and weight of solvent in 1000 gram, that is in 1 kg, is 948.3 by 1000. We converted it into kg. So 141.7 by 98 into this becomes reciprocal. So here this division sign will be into multiplication sign, into 1000 by 948, 948.3. After decimal, one digit here also, so it is being removed, and then we multiply and we get 1417000 by 929334, and by dividing we get 1.54. And you know that molality is denoted as small m, so this small m is equals to molality, and that is 1.54. So you can say the molality of H2SO4 is 1.54 m. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.